American culture favors oversized items, and massive buildings are commonplace there. The country has a wide variety of famous bridges, including the renowned Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California. However, engineers have been constructing enormous bridges, shocking their American rivals with their audacity and creativity. So in this video, we are going to show you some of the most amazing giant mega bridge projects being constructed and completed in the country. Let's get started. One of the oldest arch bridges remaining in service, the Arcadico Bridge, was constructed between 1300 and 1190 BCE. It was constructed alongside a military road system that connected Turin and Epidaurus. The bridge was constructed using Cyclopean masonry, which involved carefully fitting limestone boulders, smaller stones, and tiny bits of tile without the use of cement. It is 18 feet in width, 72 feet in length, and 13 feet in height. It is still safe for pedestrians to cross the historic bridge. It's interesting to note, though, that wasn't the initial intention. The style of the bridge has led archaeologists to the conclusion that it was constructed especially for chariots. Even the curbs that were supposed to direct the horse-drawn carriages are still present. The Chishui River Bridge, which towers an incredible 350 meters above the river, is the first bridge. The need for a solid connection between the Jiang and Sichuan Expressways became evident when the Chinese government wanted to enhance economic growth in Sichuan and Guizhou. The bridge, which would cost approximately $250 million, would span the whole breadth of the Chishui River, a bit more than 2 kilometers in length altogether. The tall bridge's design, production, and construction were all covered by a 360-degree contract awarded to Sichuan Road and Bridge. But even if they had tried, they couldn't have picked a worse location. The site's winding steep terrain presented a challenging topography issue. In late 2019, the Chishui River Bridge opened. Additionally, the business cut more than $2 million from the budget. This was made possible by their efforts to minimize the earthwork required and the foundation of the bridge tower by 30%. When it opens to traffic next month, China's Lvzhijiang Bridge will be the first single-tower, single-span suspension bridge in history. The bridge, which spans the Lvzhijiang for 798 meters, will facilitate and speed up travel in the isolated and beautiful Yunnan province. This bridge has been a crucial part of the 9,000-kilometer Yunnan Highway network and the 190-kilometer Yuchu Expressway since 2019. It will greatly reduce travel time by connecting the local city of Yuxi with the Chuxing Autonomous Prefecture of Yunnan. A significant control project on the Yuxi-Chuxing Expressway is the Green-Juice River Bridge. It is situated across the Green-Juice River from Xuanbai County in Chuxing Prefecture and Yimen County in Yuxi City, Yunnan Province. The bridge is 798 meters long in total. Both sides are immediately connected to the tunnel, and the bridge deck is two-way with 4 lanes and a design speed of 100 km per hour. The steel girder of the bridge is divided into 61 pieces, according to the person in charge of the Lvzhijiang Bridge project of the Yuchu Expressway of China Railway Bridge Bureau. The steel box girder weighs roughly 10,000 tons in total, which is comparable to the weight of the Eiffel Tower. Over 180 tons can be lifted in a single piece at the most. The Yanbayashan Bridge, the longest structure in the world taller than 300 meters and equipped with 6 lanes, is the next astounding bridge in the Asian superpower. The deck is significantly higher, rising 360 meters above the river's real level and 320 meters above a reservoir. The 6 lanes of this bridge make it the widest steel truss suspension bridge ever constructed in China. The lower leg of the 186.5-meter-tall West Tower is a singular suspension bridge on stilts, measuring 110.7 meters below the deck. In fact, there are only 6 other suspension bridges in the world that use tower piers that are higher than 100 meters below deck. They are primarily in China. These include the Tiger Leaping Railway, Sungsi, Kingshui, Hong Bridge, and Meiling, Finland. The 1,112-meter-long Yanbayashan Grand Bridge is a section of the Jiang Highway. It is vital to the region's economic growth since it cuts the distance between Jiang and Huangping from 5 hours to just 1.2 hours. It spans the Dumu River. In regions like Kaiman Prefecture and Kaiandongnan Prefecture, it will also assist ethnic minorities. The construction of the Yuchu Expressway is underway in Jiang City's Nanning District and will eventually travel through the Wuding District, Longli County, Guiding County, Fuquan City, and Huangping County in southeast Guizhou Prefecture. The Yuchu Expressway is connected to the endpoint. The bridge's primary span is 650 meters long. The two main cables, which serve as the entire bridge's lifelines, were constructed utilizing a revolutionary method that was first tried at the location in all of China. Each of these 36 long-stranded cables weighs about 4,600 tons. High-strength galvanized steel wires are used. The final wire would be longer than 26,000 kilometers if all the separate steel wires utilized in the cables were taken out and connected at the ends. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge is the following Chinese mega bridge. It is the longest sea-crossing bridge with a tunnel system in the world. It is a substantial 55-kilometer-long bridge that connects Zhuhai, Macao, and Hong Kong. Hong Kong, Macao, and 9 other Chinese cities will be included in the Greater Bay Area that China intends to build with the giant bridge. The population of the zone is close to 70 million. Previously, traveling between Zhuhai and Hong Kong, the HCMB has reduced it from a 4-hour event to just 30 minutes. 3 cable-stayed bridges, 1 undersea tunnel, and 3 man-made islands make up the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, a bridge tunnel system. It crosses the Lvzhijiang Waterway, which connects Macao, Zhuhai, and Hong Kong, 3 important cities on the Pearl River Delta. The 3 regions will each contribute 15.73 billion toward the cost of building the HCMB main bridge, with the government of the Hong Kong SAR providing RMB 6.75 billion. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, the longest sea crossing in the world, has finally opened to traffic after 9 years of construction. 3 cable-stayed bridges make up the 55 km crossing, which connects roadways in the 3 cities and cuts the distance between Hong Kong and Macao, Zhuhai from an hour by boat to 40 minutes by automobile. This is an important project in the Chinese government strategy to promote the Greater Bay Area's economic and social integration, which consists of 11 cities in southern China, including Hong Kong and Macao. In a cooperative venture with China Highway and Planning Design Institute and other companies, Arup completed the concept and preliminary design for the major part of the Zhuhai waterways in 2009. Jidazhu, Jianghai, and Qingzhou are the 3 navigation channel bridges that make up the major portion. Due to the fact that the link will be visible from the land, sea, and air, a distinctive and beautiful design was strongly wanted. Concerns about regular typhoons and dolphin habitats were addressed, while resilience and sustainability were also high on the agenda. To create visual cohesion and variety across the 3 bridges, center towers of various designs were proposed to be erected between the carriageways on each of the 3 bridges. This has a minimal negative influence on the Chinese white dolphin's habitat and on water flow blockage. All 3 bridge designs were reviewed during the detailed design phase, and the Jizhu Bridge's original shape with sail-like towers was kept. Let's hear what you think of the mega bridges in China in the comment section below. Please don't forget to let us know your thoughts down below. And as always, if you liked the video, we'd love it if you click the like and subscribe buttons and might as well ring the notification bell for more of our updates. Thank you so much, and we'll see you at the next one.